Welcome to American Literature 1. In the last classes, we were discussing literary terms related to first unit. We have successfully completed the discussion of literary terms prescribed in the first unit. Now let us switch on to second unit. So this is related to poetry, American poetry, and we have a poem titled The Yellow Violet, written by William Cullen Bryant. So coming to the analysis of the message of the poem Yellow Violet. Literature is an expression of life passing through the language that comes from the writer's feeling and thought. The language of human literature is beautiful. It can influence our feeling and thought to imagine. By means of literature expression, a poet is able to reveal clearly human characteristics, behavior, and how human beings encounter his problem. This poem is one of the literary works that expressing some thought, feeling, attitude, or human experience in beautiful language that can influence reader's feeling. The poem may bring knowledge and message for the readers. The purpose of this poem is to know the general meaning, detailed meaning, and the message of the poem Yellow Violet. This study, using descriptive quantitative research, designed because the writer just analyzes the poem Yellow Violet. In this study, the writer uses objective approach. The object of the study is Yellow Violet poem composed by William Cullen Bryant. The general meaning of the poem Yellow Violet is talking about someone's regrets because someone whom he loved leaves him. The detailed meaning is about someone's career that begin developing. In his life, he finds his true love. The poet tells the girl always accompanies and helps him when he gets the problems. When he is happy and successful in his life, he forgets the girl until she leaves him. Then he regrets that he should not forget the girl, and now he will never see the girl anyone. The message of the poem is we must respect someone else and don't be arrogant by what you have got because there is someone that still needs our help. This study also giving the picture to the people who are interested in the literary work in order to make them capable analyzing the poetry. So this is the small message of the poem The Yellow Violet, or this is the analysis of the poem Yellow Violet. Thank you.